Alright guys, and today I got this on my doorstep for some reason. I guess, what is it? So this is the chocolate box from Woolworths, Recipe to Riches Trio Mix Limited Edition. So yeah, this is the chocolates, all three of them, and someone tried to tape it all up. Same as here, and the same as here. There. Okay, so let's dig in. Wow. Whoa. This is my dream. A Glock. Glock? What the? This? Well, something's right here. Well, that's odd. So, moving on. What the? How did this come? Okay, maybe not. I'll just put this back. Let's look at the other one. Is it the same? Nope. Okay. It's really cool. Whoa. It looks like a cap gun, but it's not a cap gun. It makes the sound of a cap gun. It's a Glock 26. As you can see here. Okay, wait. Let me put this in a better angle. Maybe not. Okay, here. No. See, it says lock over there. And yeah, it says lock 26 Austria 2 times 19 something of a jeep. And the designs for Glock, it has the thingy-majibs coming out, the grip, not this grip. This grip comes with other guns too, but this grip, it is fully, and this part, and it doesn't have one of those thingy-majibs at the back. Do this, like this. It doesn't have that because blocks don't have them. And yeah, so it says made in China. Yeah, it's really cool, and this feels so good. I wish you could feel it. And there's no other cool designs. I wish the slide could come out or slide, or there would be a removable magazine. But this is good. So I wish we could press it down and then, or we could slide it. Yeah, but it's okay. Still in good shape. Yeah. Oh, and the reason why I didn't make videos for a long time was because was because that someone was about to hack my channel, and it was someone, and I think I know who it is. It is a YouTuber, but I forgot his name. What was it? I'll try to find out, okay? So, goodbye. Watch out my next video. Bye-bye.